grow your business thanks to smarter workflow. What if your printer could learn from what you're doing? The Arizona 2300 series can do just that. With a self-learning capacity of the Arizona Xpert functionality, intuitively design your complex, multi-layered project once and then print and cut it over and over again. Arizona Xpert learns the recipe for the project, including transparencies, multi-sided printing, and cutting information. So the next time you want to print and cut a similar application, simply reapply the recipe to another job. With Arizona Flow technology, Arizona Xpert now supports multi-origin registration and outline printing, enabling quick media loading. Arizona Xpert saves a significant amount of setup time, reduces errors, and automates the production process, resulting in less waste and faster turnaround times.